Tradingview is one of the best online platforms that we can make use of when it comes to backtesting your strategies, analyzing your strategies before you get on the market, right? Before you enter your trade, right? So as you can see right here, I'm just analyzing NASDAQ over here, and I'm looking at it, I'm seeing a nice sell setup over here, which can come all the way down here. But anyways, in this video, we're not talking about that. In this video, I'm here to share with you how you can get access to Tradingview for free, and a couple other things like how you can pay literally just $1 to get access to premium Tradingview features for a whole 30 days. And then I'm also going to share with you a trick that you can make use of to get 6 months free of Tradingview. You only pay for the other 6, and then you get 6 months for free, as well as the bonus trick, which you're going to get close to the end of this video, how you can earn $30 worth of credits so that you can use it to pay for your Tradingview, the Pro plan. So all that good stuff coming through in this video, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end, as we're going to be breaking it down step by step for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I would really appreciate if you take 1 second to click on that red subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, share the video, like it. I would really appreciate that, and so does the YouTube algorithm. So in this video, as I said, we're going to be looking at different ways that you can make use of to get access to this powerful trading analyzing platform, Tradingview, totally for free, as well as some bonuses on how to get some massive discounts on this platform, right? As you can see over here, this is on Tradingview, right? So as I said, this is NASDAQ that I'm looking at over here, NAS 100. This is also on FXCM, one of the most trusted brokers out there, right? So this is the one that I use personally for most of my markets when I'm looking for trading opportunities and the trading charts, right? But basically, you can come through and search for any of these of the markets that you want to trade, right? So there's a lot of these markets over here, as you can see, from stocks, futures, forex, CFDs, cryptos, index, economy. And in the other videos, I showed you how to get your binaries on Tradingview as well. So I'm going to link that video somewhere up here if you haven't seen that one. If you're interested in trading VIX75 and you want to have to analyze it on the Tradingview platform as well, so that video will be linked somewhere up here, and then you'll be able to go and check out those videos. The first thing first, why you might want to get access to the Tradingview Pro plan. So let's just go and compare them a little bit over here. So as you can see, this is the basic plan, right? So when you click the link down below, I'm actually going to leave my link down below, a referral link. If you don't have a Tradingview platform already, or you want to create a new one so that you can make use of these opportunities that I'm going to be sharing with you here, because you're going to need to have a brand new account for you to be able to use these tricks that I'm going to show you over here. So I recommend that you click that link down below, you sign up for a new account with a new email if you have to, or if it's your first time, that's even better, because now you'll be able to make use of these opportunities that I'm going to show you in the rest of this video, right? So basically, the basic plan is what you get for free, right? So this is the plan that most of us are using, and it's basically it has everything that you need, right? It has everything that you need. But then as you see, you can come through and then just compare these plans for yourself and see what they're all about, which ones can do the best for you. But basically, you would want to upgrade to at least this one, or at least this one over here, right? You don't necessarily need the premium one. That is just I think it's just a bit too extra. But basically, if you want to have 2 charts in one window, 4 charts in one layout, it's all up to you over there, right? So as you can see over here, you can have up to 8 charts in one layout, right? So that is one of the reasons why you would want to upgrade to pro plans, to paid plans, instead of sticking to the basic, the free one, right? So another thing, very key thing, is that you are able to backtest your strategy, basically go back in time, right, and see how your strategy would have played out on all time frames, starting from this time frame over here, starting from this paid plan over here, right? So you'll be able to actually go and backtest on any of these time frames that you're seeing over here, right? So the 1 minute, 5 minute, all the way up to the monthly time frame over here, right? So all the time frames that you see over here, you'll be able to actually backtest on those. But if you're on the free plan, you can only backtest on the day one, right? So you like the candlestick replay. Let me just show you this feature, how it actually works. It's really cool. So let's say I had my analysis over here, right? So as you can see, there's a double top over here, really nice, played out very well. So maybe I'd seen it over here, I'd seen it coming through over here, and this is where I was. So I'm just gonna replay all the way up to there, right? Done my analysis over here, I'm just waiting for it to retest over there. So I want to show you how it actually played out. So what I can do just to replay like that, and then I'm just gonna put the market over here to actually see how it played out. Let me remove that fib over there. and then now we're just waiting for, maybe we're putting our sell limit over there so that it can get triggered and then the market continue with us, right? So I can either replay it like a single bar, or I can just click on this button here to have it play out on its own like that. So as you can see, so this is where I would start looking for my trade opportunity over there, right? So I can go down to the smaller time frames and see what is going on, where I can take my trade on. So basically this gives you an advantage, a great advantage in backtesting your strategy and see how it actually played out in the past, right? So if I can just go one bar at a time, so I can literally see how each bar came through and played out, right? As you can see, you can also reduce the speed if you want it to play out at a slower rate and all that stuff. But basically this is just one of the best features that they have here on TradingView, which allows you to actually like backtest your strategy with more accuracy. So basically that is one of the most important features here on TradingView, which I think most of us can really use, make use of to hammer our skills, you know, to improve our trading skills, and also just, you know, to improve our psychology, because to actually see it playing out over here, okay, you know, it helps you build up on your confidence, right? So as you can see right now, this is where we are at the moment. There's a nice sell setup that is looking to go down over here. You know, it might be a long-term trade over there because we are on the daily chart over here, as you can see. So we might expect it to come all the way down here, maybe to retest this level, or even come back to this major support over there, right? So anyways, getting to the real purpose of this video. So number one, obviously, as I said, if you're going to create a new account, which is what I recommend, but using the link down below, just click on it, set up your account. Is very easy, and then you'll be able to see over here, you can search for the charts for you to get to this window over here, right? So you're just navigating using the chart, and then search for the market that you want to analyze. But basically this is where you get to when you sign up for your account. Since your account will be brand new, you basically have that option to start your free trial for any of these plans. So you can literally choose whatever plan that you want to choose, and then you'll be able to get your 30-day free trial. So that's number one way of getting this, for getting all these features, all the premium features for 30 days for free, 100%. You have to connect your payment card, whether it's your Visa card or your PayPal account, just so that they can actually like verify that you're a real human being and you're not creating multiple accounts, right? So that is one way of doing it. And then the second way, as I said, I promise you that I'm going to give you a link that you can make use of to get 30 days for basically you get access to TradingView for 30 days with just $1, for just $1. So basically this is the link that you're going to need. So you can just take a screenshot of it or type it out somewhere. Basically this is the link that you're going to need to go to once you sign up for your account, right? So basically it ends with the $1 USD hash. So this will actually allow you to get access to TradingView for literally $1 for 30 days, right? So straight after getting your 30 days for free, so let's say you on the 29th day you cancel your free trial so that you don't get billed, and then the following day you just click on you go to this link, directly to this link, and then you get another 30 days for $1. So basically that's about 60 days for free on TradingView, right? Almost free of charge, right? And then after that you can the next trick is to get 6 months for free, right? So this one over here, basically what happens with this is that when you try to cancel your subscription, so let's say after the $1 subscription on the 29th day before the 30 days before you get billed, and then you cancel your trading, they will actually offer you a pop-up section that will actually give you 6 months free, right? So you'll be able to pay for a full year. Basically you have to pay the annual fee, right? So basically you'll be able to choose any of these accounts over there, and then you only have to pay for 6 months out of the 12 months. So 6 months will be free, and then the other 6 months you pay for it. But this is the biggest discount that you can ever get on TradingView. So that's just the third trick to get this, to get your access to TradingView for free, right? So basically you pay 6 months, the other 6 months are for free. And then the last one but not least, this one is basically the referral program. So they have the referral program over here where you can get up to $30 for me and the person that I'm referring, right? So basically when let's say you click the link down below, which is my referral link, you're gonna get $30 to when you upgrade to one of these plans, which basically covers for at least 1 month. I mean, if you can take a look at these plans over here, you can cover up for 1 month of a Pro Plus or 2 months of Pro account, right? So it's all up to you which plan that you want to go with, but basically you basically get that $30 over there. So for every person that you basically refer to this program over here, so you just have to click on that, and then it will take you to this page where you can get your link, and then you just have to share with your friends, right? So basically every time they sign up and then upgrade to one of the paid plans, you get up to $30, right? So this $30 basically be able, you can, unfortunately you cannot withdraw this money to whether to your PayPal or whatever. This money will only be usable on this platform, so basically just to cover up for your paid plans over here. So basically those are the different ways that you can get access to Tradingview Pro plans for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was I tried to be as detailed as much as possible. So if you got any questions, you got any comments, you can just leave them down below. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.